What is PYUSD? PayPal's dollar stablecoin, explained. Most people already trust PayPal to move money. Now it has its own dollar stablecoin, PYUSD, live inside PayPal and Venmo. Here's how it works and what to watch out for. Not investment advice, just education. Chapter 1. What PYUSD is. PYUSD is a stablecoin, a token meant to stay worth exactly $1, redeemable 1-to-1. PayPal does not issue it directly. It is issued by Paxos, a federally regulated trust company, and backed by dollar deposits and short-term U.S. Treasuries, with monthly reserve reports holders can check. Chapter 2. Where it runs and how to use it. PayPal USD launched on Ethereum in 2023 and now runs natively on Solana, Arbitrum, and Stellar, with a cross-chain version reaching many more networks. Most people use it inside PayPal and Venmo, buy, hold, send, and spend, with opt-in rewards of around 4% in supported regions. You can also move it to a wallet like MetaMask and use it on-chain. Chapter 3. A reality check. PYUSD competes with much larger dollar stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin, and its supply moves with demand. Its 2026 rollout reached around 70 markets, but features vary by country and rewards are excluded in places like the UK and Singapore. And PYUSD is not a bank deposit, so there is no FDIC or SIPC insurance. PYUSD is less about size and more about position, a test of whether a trusted payments brand can bring blockchain dollars to a mainstream audience. Read the full explainer on blockspot.io. Would you hold a stablecoin inside PayPal? Let us know in the comments below.